Good day. In this video, you will be identifying numbers. If you know the answer, shout it aloud so that your teacher can hear you. There are 25 items for you to answer, and please take note of your score at the end of the session. Your score tells you about how good are you in the subject matter. So make it good, kid. You may use your paper and write down items 1 to 25 and your corresponding answers. Are you ready? Here are the questions. Good luck. Question number 1. What number is this? Number 2. What number is this? Number 3. What number is this? Number 4. What number is this? Number 5. What number is this? Question number 6. What number is this? Number 7. What number is this? Number 8. What number is this? Number 9. What number is this? Number 10. What number is this? Number 11. What number is this? Question number 12. What number is this? Number 13. What number is this? Number 14. What number is this? Number 15. What number is this? What number is this? Number 17. What number is this? Number 18. What number is this? Number 19. What number is this? Question number 20. What number is this? Number 21. What number is this? Number 22. What number is this? Number 23. What number is this? Number 24. What number is this? Number 25. What number is this? Congratulations! This ends the lesson for today. I hope you make it good. Otherwise, you will make it better the next time. This is Teacher Edward saying bye-bye, but don't forget to visit, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.